In a stunning legal reversal, a federal judge has thrown out the criminal cases against two of Donald Trump's most outspoken opponents, former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. It's a ruling that shakes the foundations of Trump's legal strategy and raises new questions about executive power, political prosecutions, and the future of the Justice Department. On Monday, November 25, 2025, U.S. District Judge Cameron McGowan Curry dismissed both indictments in full, ruling that the prosecutor who brought the cases, Trump-aligned attorney Lindsay Halligan, was never legally appointed to the position she held. According to the court, Halligan's appointment bypassed the Senate confirmation process and violated long-standing federal rules. And because she was unlawfully installed, every act she performed, including the prosecutions, was invalid. Comey had been charged with making false statements to Congress and obstructing a congressional proceeding, accusations he strongly denied. But the judge's ruling means the charges vanish, and with the statute of limitations expired, prosecutors may not legally bring them back. Letitia James faced allegations of bank fraud and false statements involving financial institutions. Her charges were dismissed without prejudice, meaning prosecutors could theoretically attempt a refile. But legally and politically, that road is steep and uncertain. Letitia James said she was heartened by the ruling, calling the case against her baseless and politically motivated. James Comey responded sharply, saying the prosecution was rooted in malevolence and incompetence, a reflection of what the DOJ has become under Donald Trump. Meanwhile, the White House announced plans to appeal the ruling, defending Halligan's appointment and insisting the prosecutions were lawful. This is more than a procedural mistake. It is a major judicial check on what critics call the weaponization of the Justice Department. Judge Curry warned that allowing presidents to install interim prosecutors without oversight could let them bypass Senate confirmation forever, undermining the constitutional balance of power. For Donald Trump, the dismissals strike at the heart of his promise to bring legal retaliation against political opponents. Letitia James praised the decision, and Comey expresses his thoughts on social media.
This case mattered to me personally, obviously, but it matters most because a message has to be sent that the President of the United States cannot use the Department of Justice to target his political enemies.
While the Justice Department says it has no plan to back down by any means.
Be taking all available legal action, including an immediate appeal, to hold Letitia James and James Comey accountable for their unlawful conduct.
Without these prosecutions, Trump's broader effort to use the justice system as a political tool faces a major setback. And with one case legally expired and the other weakened, the path forward is unclear. For Comey and Letitia James, the legal battle may be over, at least for now. But the larger fight over the independence of the Justice Department, presidential power, and political prosecutions is far from settled. In Washington, this ruling is more than a courtroom victory. It is a message, and it echoes loudly in the halls of American democracy.